Ways to use your DigiDoorbell.
DigiDoorbell is a free app you can use for emergencies and seeing who's at the door without missing an unexpected guest. More features for additional security will require a paid subscription. Additional features such as connecting your account with other household members or family at your home or a member of your security team. The functionalities of using DigiDoorbell is you can print out multiple QR codes with different purposes. These printouts can be used for homes, businesses, public areas for security, even for your little ones when in public for safety. The list goes on. If at a resort, beach, or theme park, etc., has a DigiDoorbell account, you can have access to their security or emergency staff. For example, you have a situation at the beach and it's a DigiDoorbell nearby. Scan the QR code and you'll have direct access to the local security or local emergency. They'll receive live video footage from your cellular device after you scan the DigiDoorbell QR code. This can be very useful if time is a factor. This can also be used for children or elderly in case of emergencies. Another example, you're at a theme park and your child somehow gets lost. Another DigiDoorbell member sees the child and scans the QR code. Almost immediately, a live stream video will be displayed to you and any other connected member connected to your account through your cell phone without your cell phone number, just by using DigiDoorbell. This can be used for pets, purses, and luggage, etc. This is how a live call looks. You can also message. Depending on which subscription you're using will determine on how long video chat lasts. You can also use DigiDoorbell on your desktop computer.